In this video, I'm going to show you how to create memorable information on Lloyds Bank, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's dive in. Creating memorable information for your Lloyds account is an important step in securing your online banking. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you set up your memorable information. First, enter your username and password to log in. After login, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Look for a menu or settings option. In Lloyds, it's often under Profile or Security. In the security settings, find the option to set up your memorable information. It may be labeled as Create Memorable Information or something similar. Then, Lloyds will provide guidelines for creating this. Make sure they follow these guidelines for maximum security. Then, you need to create your memorable information. Type in the memorable information you have chosen. This can be a phrase, quote, or any combination of characters that are unique to you. Then confirm and save. In the end, to ensure your new memorable information is in effect, log out of your online banking account and then log back in using your new created memorable information. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.